Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volvo XC90 trip meter. This is a simple process that helps you track your journeys accurately. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in position 1 or 2, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the small black button on your instrument cluster, typically found near the speedometer or odometer display. This button is key to managing your trip data. Now, let's perform the reset. With the ignition on, press and hold that small black button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will notice the trip meter display begin to flash or change, indicating it's ready to reset. Keep holding until the numbers revert to all zeros. Once it shows 0, you can release the button, and your trip meter is successfully reset and ready for your next journey. It's helpful to understand what trip meters do. These handy features track the distance you've traveled for a specific journey, separate from your total odometer reading. They are incredibly useful for calculating your fuel economy between fill-ups or monitoring distances for work. Many Volvo XC90 models actually offer 2 independent trip meters, often labeled A and B, allowing you to track 2 different sets of data simultaneously. Resetting your trip meter offers several benefits. It helps you monitor maintenance intervals, such as when your next oil change is due, or track fuel consumption for specific routes. A quick tip: always ensure your vehicle is stationary and in a safe location before attempting to reset any dashboard functions. This ensures your safety and prevents distractions while driving. Enjoy tracking your travels with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.